The curse of our time is that all of us want to be YouTubers, at least secretly. Now, you can watch hundreds of videos on how to be a Riz YouTuber, but I binge watched three big YouTubers and found out three psychological tricks they're using in every video to hook audience attention. The first one is more motion. Now, if you take any of Think Media's recent video, let's go for this one. Now, I want you to watch all of Think Media's latest video, at least the first 30 seconds of every video, to fully understand all the patterns that I'm going to identify in this video. Forget 30 seconds. Within the first 10 seconds, you can find word prompts, changing backdrop, use of props, use of animation, and so many other things in the video. Comment down below if you found any other elements in the video, but here is the point of it all. According to James Cutting, a psychologist at Cornell University that has been studying cinema, he says that our response to motion is extremely psychological in cinema and that motion to short changes in cinema help in engaging audience attention effectively. So, over time, every new element or every new motion added to a scene compels a viewer to reorient their attention, and this gets them hooked, and they end up staying longer than they intended to. The second trick is sonic psychology. If you love watching Robert Benjamin videos just like me, then again, I want you to watch the first 30 seconds of his latest videos. If you hear sound effects like this, and this, then what big YouTubers are doing is using sonic psychology. Whether we realize it or not, sound affects the way we think, feel, and behave. And it also helps trigger emotional response such as urgency, curiosity, bring back your attention, etc. Now, the third psychological trick is even more interesting and it's called pattern interrupts. Now, pattern interrupts are anything that compels people to change their regular pattern of thought. But how are YouTubers using this to hook people? Let's find out. So to understand this, we are going to head to Ruri's channel. Now Ruri makes some great videos on life, motivation and YouTube, and you should definitely check out her channel if you haven't already. But to understand pattern interrupts, we are going to take this video. Now in this video, Ruri talks about how she grew from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 3 months. And this is a great video if you're a new YouTuber and you want to learn how to grow on YouTube. But for the sake of understanding pattern interrupts, I want you to closely analyze the first 30 seconds of Ruri's video to see how exactly she used pattern interrupts to hook her viewers. In this video, I identified three pattern interrupts that Ruri used to hook her viewers right at the beginning of the video. The first one is as simple as zoom in, zoom out. Now, zoom may look like a simple feature, but it's very impactful if it's used right. It helps a viewer feel more connected to the video and it creates an illusion of intimacy between the YouTuber and the viewer. This can be very powerful when it comes to storytelling, and it gives the viewer power, it makes them feel involved, and it helps them focus and concentrate on the video. Now, the second pattern interrupt Ruri uses are screen vibes. Now, how do screen vibes trick your brain? Well, screen vibes help create a smooth transition between your thought process and lead to a more natural and engaging viewing experience for the audience. Screen vibes or transitions convey time, character movement, pauses, and they help guide the speed of your video, and this ultimately helps engage viewers and increase your video's watch time. Now, the third pattern interrupt is really interesting, which not only Ruri but a lot of other YouTubers use. So, next time you're completely engaged in a sit down and talk kind of a YouTube video, check out the YouTubers' hand movements. Yes, check out what they are doing with their hands. Now, lots of studies show that using your hands while speaking not only keeps your viewers more engaged, but as a YouTuber, it helps you focus and collect your thoughts without diverting too much from the main point. Hand movements also allow a YouTuber to control the rhythm of their speech, and ultimately, what happens is the viewer actually ends up listening to what you have to say. Let me know in the comment box below if you know any other tips and tricks that big YouTubers use to increase their views, and I really hope that this video will be useful for you when it comes to growing your small YouTube channel. Also remember that creative editing and audio inputs are only one way you can grow your YouTube channel, because at the end of the day, YouTube is a search engine and you can actually use SEO and keyword research to dramatically increase your video reach. So if you want to know how, do check out this next video.